Hello, and welcome to this video overview on how the ProLinkHFA software suite can support your HFA's asset management processes. The ProLinkHFA software suite is a web-based software package that simplifies the complexities in providing affordable housing to qualified tenants. The software captures all of your federal and state program activities for loans, tax credits, set-asides, bonds, and other HFA funding sources in a single database. The ProLinkHFA software suite is comprised of 3 HFA-specific solutions: ProQuorum, SmartDocs, and ProLinkHFA. These solutions are fully integrated and can be configured to meet your specific agency requirements. Today we're going to focus on how the ProLinkHFA software suite supports the HFA asset management process by seamlessly importing deal-specific data from the tax credit and funding groups, supports configurable risk criteria, as well as manages operating budgets, monthly operating statements, and annual financials in a single database. Proactive asset management is a 15 to 30-year process of determining where to allocate the right agency resources and energy to optimize your portfolio in order to meet your agency's mission. By going beyond compliance, which we see as the act of meeting the legal requirements of each HFA managed program, proactive asset management will empower your agency staff to coordinate all aspects of the property to ensure the right decisions are made at the right time. Now let's explore how the ProLinkHFA software suite automates knowledge transfer from the tax credit and loan origination groups. Once the deal has been funded, gone through construction, and is leased up, it's time to add this property to the HFA's portfolio for ongoing compliance and asset management. Because ProLinkHFA is delivered as a single database of record, information entered by the tax credit and loan origination teams is already in the system to streamline the handoff to asset management. As I navigate from the tax credit portion of this deal up to the portfolio view, you can see all the information available has been transferred to the portfolio property level. Once in the portfolio property level, the asset management team can begin the process of analyzing and assessing risk on this property. In ProLinkHFA, the left-hand navigation panel guides you through the various stages of asset management. Starting at the top left, agency users are provided a comprehensive overview of the property, which includes all property attributes, overview of funding sources and associated deals, as well as required asset management activities. By heading down to the Edit Property screen, you can edit core property information, adjust population data, identify any federal, state, and local enhancements, review legal data, name history, notes, pending status, and utility allowance information. The Property Entities screen will quickly identify all the working property entities involved in this deal. You can also review the ownership structure of all the entities involved. ProLinkHFA fully supports scattered sites through our Location screen, which allows you to find details on structure, utility, amenities, unit mix, and any commercial agreements associated with that location. Building and unit detail can be found in their respective screens. These areas provide actual building and unit detail, BIN ID numbers, tax form information, and much more, which we cover in detail in our compliance video. As you continue down the left-hand navigation panel, you can review all property loan details and history, any associated tax credit or HFA funding sources, and any bonds which are accessible in the Property Financing tab. Much of this information will be pre-populated from the tax credit and HFA funding teams to save your asset management and compliance groups significant time hand-entering information. From here, we begin to set the foundation for our agency's asset management best practices with the AM Activity screen, which provides immediate insight into any pending operating budgets, inspections, monthly operating statements, annual financials, and compliance audits. By heading to the AM Characteristics screen, agency staff can control what type of asset management functions are required on this property, type of distribution, reserve protocol, financial statement type, and more. Once the requirements are set, it's time to begin ongoing asset management with historical and current operating budgets, inspections, compliance audits, monthly operating statements, annual financials, reserves, and automated risk assessments. For the purposes of this video, we'll focus on risk assessments and the financial information. Let's start with an overview of ProLinkHFA's configurable risk engine. Asset management at its core is about effectively measuring and mitigating risk across your portfolio. ProLink automates the process of managing risk through a combination of system-generated and subjective risk criteria. ProLink's risk engine will automatically analyze each property based on loan activity, lender inspections, annual financials, operating budgets, monthly operating statements, and more. Each line item will generate a point value which cumulatively adds up to a risk score, which feeds a portfolio watch list and risk reporting. The system also provides the option to override certain system point scores based on the asset manager's working knowledge of a property if a certain score is not something to worry about. Comments are always required to ensure auditability of the record. Now let's review some key criteria that fuels the risk score: operating budgets, monthly operating statements, and annual financials. ProLink HFA provides comprehensive tracking and analysis of operating budgets directly within the system to ensure the properties in your portfolio are being managed according to your standards. Operating budgets are submitted electronically through the ProLink HFA secure portal ProQuorum. Once submitted by the property manager, agency staff is notified via email and in ProQuorum itself that a new operating budget is available for review. Once notified, agency staff will head into the Property Work Center. ProQuorum Work Centers provide a secure location to upload and download files, review any comments, associate all historical file versions, and check recent project activity. ProQuorum also provides comprehensive project management capabilities to assist agency staff in the management of ongoing asset management deadlines and core project milestones. Calendaring, task dependencies, and approval workflows can all be managed right within ProQuorum. Once I am ready, I can download the operating budget directly from within the ProQuorum Work Center for review by the agency team. Another powerful capability of the ProLink HFA software suite is complete Microsoft Word and Excel integration via our proprietary add-in SmartDocs. SmartDocs can be used to push data into or pull data out of ProLink HFA, creating a true sync between your spreadsheets and the HFA database. With SmartDocs, agency staff can review operating budgets and financial details in Excel and push the data into the ProLink HFA database when ready. Simply select Send Data, and all detail from the operating budget will be immediately uploaded into the ProLink HFA database. With the operating budget detail now in the ProLink HFA database, agency users can quickly see all income, expense, and net operating income details on the Budget Info tab. This is a great place to further review all the core financial numbers. Head over to the Reserve Analysis tab to see fiscal year opening balance, projected ending balance, as well as deposits and withdrawals. Once done reviewing, the asset manager can move the operating budget into the completed status to begin accepting monthly operating statements. The same process of receiving the statements through the ProQuorum portal, then uploading them into the ProLink HFA database via SmartDocs applies. With the operating statement uploaded, agency users can head to the monthly operating statement screen for a snapshot of the current status of the operating statement. When ready, click on the month in question to review against the last trailing 2 months. This area provides a standardized way to analyze all your deals. ProLink HFA fully tracks annual financial statement details. By selecting the appropriate fiscal year, users have the ability to review and control the status and audit findings, balance sheet details, financial summary, and P&L detail. Additional notes, any associated properties, and documents can also be analyzed here. All data within these screens can be securely uploaded via ProQuorum and SmartDocs. Once the data is in ProLink HFA, this is a great opportunity for the asset manager to compare annual financials with the operating budget to ensure the property is performing up to expectations. At any point during the life cycle of the property, agency staff can take advantage of ProLink's ad hoc reporting tool, Data Views. With Data Views, agency staff can configure reports to their needs, share and publish to other agency staff members, and export to Excel at any time for further analysis. For the purposes of this video, we will examine the Asset Management Risk Assessment Data View. The AM Risk Assessment Data View pulls in all risk criteria across your portfolio for a quick view on property information, risk status, property risk assessment score, and more. Asset managers can also use this data view to prioritize their workload. Simply select a different drop-down and the view changes to Deals Sorted by Asset Manager. The ProLink HFA software suite offers an end-to-end asset management system that incorporates a secure communication portal, complete back-end database, and full Excel and Word integration. Our HFA suite allows ProLink technology to adapt to your process, not the other way around. We would love to share more with you and learn more about your HFA's asset management processes. For a personal demonstration or to learn more, click Schedule Demonstration and provide your contact information at the end of this video, and we will be in touch. Thanks for watching.